Every great company starts with a single spark, an idea. But that spark is often met with a wall of friction. The endless questions, the countless tools, the overwhelming complexity. That can stop a brilliant idea dead in its tracks. What if you could break through that wall? What if you could go from a simple idea to a complete, actionable launch kit in just a few minutes? Introducing Startup Launchpad. We built it entirely using Bolt and the Gemini API to solve this exact problem. Let's see it in action. Imagine you have an idea, a mobile app that connects local farmers with consumers for fresh produce delivery. You simply describe your vision, set the tone, and our AI, powered by Gemini, gets to work. Instantly, you get a full branding package, catchy business names, professional logos generated with AI, and beautiful color palettes to build your visual identity. But it goes deeper. Startup Launchpad generates a comprehensive business plan, giving you a strategic foundation from day one. It even creates a go-to-market strategy with tailored content for your social media platforms, so you can start building buzz immediately. And for the builders, Startup Launchpad creates a technical roadmap. It generates specific prompts you can take directly to an AI developer tool like Bolt to build your actual software, not just a website. It's your first technical sprint, planned in seconds. Everything is saved to your personalized dashboard, powered by Supabase. But this is where it gets truly intelligent. Meet your AI startup companion. It's a context-aware agent that knows everything about your project. You can ask it to generate new marketing content, perform a competitive analysis, or even manage your to-do list. It's not just a tool, it's a partner. We built Startup Launchpad to democratize entrepreneurship. By leveraging the power of Bolt's AI native development, the Gemini API's advanced reasoning, and Supabase's robust backend, we've created a tool that eliminates the initial friction and empowers anyone, anywhere, to turn their vision into a reality.